Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to add Firebase to your Flutter project and how easy it is to do. First of all, what you have to do is to create your Flutter project in your preferred IDE. In my case, I'm using Firebase. In my case, I'm using VS Code. So what you have to do now is create the project. You can see this is just the default Flutter package, Flutter project template that comes with it. So after that, what you have to do is to go to our props.div. So it's called as for this moment, this is the latest that's available. So I'll just copy the dependency, then go to my project and also go to the prospects.yaml. Beneath the Cupertino icon, I will paste the dependency or the package I just copied. So after you paste it, make sure it's beneath this Cupertino icon. Then you get the package. So we just have to wait for the package to load. Okay, so once we are done getting the package from props.div, we can now go back to our Firebase console. So at this stage, we assume that you already have a Firebase account. So it's very easy to get. Once you get an email, you attach it to your Firebase account. It's just simple and straightforward. So once you're inside your console, this is the console. You click on Add Project. So this Add Project, we have the project name. In my case, I'm going to call it Firebase test. Okay, then we click on continue. So we don't need Google analysis, so we just check it and create. So our project is being created now. Just have to wait for some seconds. So once it's done loading, we are just going to click on continue. Okay, our project is ready. So in this project, we have different platforms that we can create here. We have the iOS for the Apple, we have Android, and we have web and other platform also. But what we are dealing with here specifically is the Android. So here we have where we can register our app. First, we start by adding our package name. To get the package name, we go to our project. Inside the Android, we enter the app, and inside the app we enter the source. Inside the source we have our name, and inside the name we have our Android manifest. Now inside this Android manifest we have our package name here. This is the package name. You can either change it to your custom name, or you can use this default one. In our case, we are using the default one because this is just a test. So I'll just copy it and go back to our Firebase setup. I'll paste it inside the packaging. Okay, so this nickname is optional. You can put any name you want, but it's very optional. I'll click on register. So in this next stage, what we are going to do is to download the Google service.json, and we are going to paste this our download inside this directory. That's the app level directory here. So let's download it first. So once it's done downloading, I will just go to my download folder, and inside my download folder, there's the file here. We'll have to rename it because of so I'm going to have conflict with. Okay. So once we're inside the download folder, I'll just copy this Google service and paste it inside our project, inside the app level directory. So in my case, I will just click it and drag it inside the package. Okay, so right now it's inside the app level directory. So our next move now is to go back to our setup for our Firebase environment. Then click on next. So here we are going to add these SDKs to our project level Gradle files. So what I'll do is to copy this class part here and paste it inside the dependency at this project level Gradle file. So once it's copied, you go back to your project and click at this project level file. This is the level here. So we are putting it inside the dependency section. So inside our file, inside our project, as the project level, we will put it inside here. Okay, then we go back to our process. Now our next step is to copy this plugin, that's this one, and these Google services and the application into this the app level Gradle file. So first we'll copy the first one, then we'll go to our app level Gradle file and paste it under here. Then we'll do the same for the second. Now once we're done, we'll do the same for the third, which is inside this dependency. We'll put our Flutter our Firebase boom. That's inside this dependency here. Okay, once we are done putting it, we go to our third step, which is after adding the plugin and desired SDK, we should synchronize our Gradle app. So we just click on next at this stage and click on continue to console. So once we are done, once you have reached this level, that's mean you are done with the Firebase connection with the Flutter backend. So now we just go back to our Flutter project and let's save all this stuff. And so after we're done saving, we just need to run our app. So once we are done adding up all the dependencies and connecting those stuff to our build.gradles in our in our Android levels and in our app levels. What we have to do now is just to run the application. Let's see how it turns up. It's going to take some time because it's running for the first time. Now, while the thing is loading, this error occurred because of this the ID here I added instead of the plugin apply. So I'm just going to replace it like this. I'm going to replace it like this. So I'm going to rerun it again. Okay, since our Flutter app is running fine, as you can see it's running perfectly, it simply means that our Firebase is now connected to our Flutter application. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a lot from what I just did, and I'll meet you guys in the next lesson. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.